that we almost quit. We almost quit hiking today.
We don't have to. We have this thing.
Well, you still have to speak loud.
Right.
It still has to pick up. Well, welcome to our channel. If you so it's your first time here, go ahead and subscribe. If you like all kinds of different hiking videos and travel videos and RV videos and even RV cooking videos, you're at the right place. Made it to the peak of Greyrock at La Porte, Colorado, just outside of Fort Collins. I am a little winded, and I am at the peak, so I'm trying to watch where I'm taking a step as I go around and show you a panorama of this place. This is the first time in all our hikes that we came this close to stopping. I'm glad we didn't. I'm glad we didn't. I would have been depressed the rest of the day. You know, there's just something about committing to doing these, just like anything in life. There's just something about committing and just doing it. And I'm glad we did. It's been a beautiful hike. We're exhausted, but we're going downhill. So that'll be a little easier. I'll give you a little more panoramic of this place. Check this out.
Alright, so we made it to the top. We ran into a couple on the way up, and they were coming back down, and they said that they decided to turn around because it was getting kind of rocky and I was getting kind of weak. So we
thought, okay, they're younger, we can turn around.
Yeah, so I said, let's get something to eat, and that made me feel a little bit better. But then I thought, oh my gosh, I can't do this anymore. But we pushed on and we made it, and it's beautiful. And I'm glad we didn't quit.
I'm glad we didn't quit. I would have been depressed. There's just something about, starting a hike like this and committing to it and finishing it. It just it makes a difference. I'm glad we did not stop. And it's like anything else in life. If you commit to something, just finish it. Don't stop.
Get back up. Keep going.
Some days are going to be good days, and some days are going to be bad days.
Yeah. So now we're heading on down, which is going to be a challenge too, but hopefully not as bad as coming up. So we'll see you at the bottom.
All right. So this is the spot that we almost quit. We almost quit hiking today.
But we didn't.
Because we were listening to people, and we shouldn't be listening to people. We should just listen to ourselves. But we had lunch right here, and we thought, can we really keep going? And we said, yes, we can do it. And we did it because we are conquerors. We are more than conquerors. We made it all the way to the top. That's right. Conquered the mountain, but we still have like a almost 2-mile hike back. Semi-flat land. Actually, we'll be going downhill most of the time, but it's not as bad as it was coming up. So this Greyrock Trail is actually a big loop. There's a cutoff that you can go 2 ways. You can either go to Greyrock Trail that takes you straight to the rock, or you can go to Meadows, Greyrock Meadows. But today, as we were hiking, there was a couple right before us that came by, and they said that the Meadows Trail, poison ivy was up to waist high and about 12 inches apart, so you're actually walking through it. So we never went and checked it out, but that's what they told us, so we trusted them. So we just stayed on the Greyrock Trail, made it all the way up and all the way down, and now we're heading back home.